was at a presentation recently, and it was described to me that the knowledge that is the fuel, and AI and the technologies that are leveraging that, they're the engines to be able to use and consume that fuel. So knowledge is the key basis, or the brain as you described it, that enables these platforms to be more successful and more accurate and consistent. So this has been the kind of evolution of knowledge management over a few years now. So starting with the initial chatbots and then moving over to more advanced chatbots, and now moving over to generative AI within virtual agents and virtual assistants as well. But by leveraging that same consolidated knowledge base, it ensures accuracy for a few reasons. So number one, that by building out that knowledge that's defined for these tools, but also working more broadly within the organizations, it's really powerful because it's efficient that the organizations are maintaining this content only one time over and able to segment it and use it across these different platforms. But also, it's super consistent. So by having that ability that you can publish your content that's available for users directly within a knowledge base, to integrations into a CRM or a ticketing system, as well as through the virtual agents, you're ensuring that you have that consistency across all of the different channels, rather than different teams and different channels. You as a customer receive different responses, which is really annoying from a customer experience perspective, but also it's really poor service that will be provided from an organization. And then beyond that, what we're seeing is the accuracy. So if you don't follow that approach, then you'll be creating and maintaining kind of 3, 4, 5 different ways of answering a question. And the chance that the organizations will be able to maintain each one accurately all the time is a high chance. Let's say this, and that's being generous, they will not be able to do. So it's super important by being able to leverage that content. It can be empowering these tools. So it's not covering everything that are doing, but for those kind of interactions where it's informational, where there is a defined and approved answer and material that can be leveraged in an organization and can be leveraged through these virtual agents, this is where it comes into play, that it's able to call and retrieve that information and use that seamlessly within the interface and within the virtual assistant and virtual agents and other platforms as well that are leveraging from this content.